I find TenantCloud easy to work with. Support staff are great to work with when calling and need assistance with things. Overall, tenants find it easy to work with, and remarkably, I find it great that when I send a link or leads to them, they some of them are very, very apt to catch on quickly. A little bit of time to get used to. I found it. I mean, if I just slow down, I like to get things done yesterday, which usually causes me more problems. But this is overall, it's a great system. Take your time, do a little bit of reading, follow the steps, go back and repeat the steps on onboarding, working with it. Um, I've actually come to be kind of addicted to using TenantCloud. I like using it with my phone and or laptop, and it does help me operate from a distance, even sometimes when I'm out of the country.